Gates open, they're up and racing. Be Cool draws for your lead. Thunder Ribbon moving up by the rail. One Bahamas Cape. Artist now to take the lead. Moving up by the rail to take third. Field Runner Golden Ange. Final Impact comes next. Then comes entry number 6, Ideal View, Smart and Noble. Then comes Dr. Choice and Flying Hope is bringing up the rear. Past the last 800 and now working to the final 600 meters mark with one Bahamas just in front. Field Runner now moving up by the rail to take the lead. Now we have the complexion of the race has been changed with Field Runner takes up the running by half length. Running on the outside, one Bahamas moving up to take third. Ideal View, Golden Ange, Be Cool, Final Impact. Then moving up, Dr. Choice. And down the stretch they come. Field Runner, this time by about 2 lengths. Running on the outside is one Bahamas. Moving up is Ideal View, Be Cool. With 75 meters up the race, it's all Field Runner. One Bahamas, then comes Ideal View, Be Cool, and Dr. Choice for your Pentafecta.
So 1, 4,